Heavy rains on Sunday unleashed untold havoc in the northern part of the island, leading to massive flooding. Residents in the flood-stricken areas including Corinth, Grand Riviere and Bexor watched in horror as the rain-battered pavements were left submerged as roads were transformed into rivers. The overtopped banks of the tributaries of the Grand Riviere and the Corinth rivers inundated the narrow pathways of the nearby suburbs, with gushing water that tossed cars around like toys, drowned concrete homes and left residents neck-deep. Some hapless homeowners, including Asucanal Grand Riviere resident Hayden Alcindor, recounted the terrifying experience of being trapped in the house as powerful torrents overwhelmed his riverside property.
Honestly, I can't even explain what happened. It happened so fast, I can't explain what happened. I was just told that the river was going over the bank, and when I looked, I realized the water was coming in the yard already. Quickly, I thought it would go down, but it just kept going higher up, higher up. We tried to save, to secure the doors, try to put things, try different things to prevent the water from coming in, but it still kept coming in. Well, I tried to call everybody I could for help, because I realized that it was getting very serious. We moved to higher grounds. We went up. Some of us went on top of the closets, the children, and I went on top of the toilet bowl, trying to call everybody I could for help, and at the same time see what I could do. But it happened so fast. I could hardly do anything. I didn't have time to leave, and it got to a point that we couldn't leave neither. So I was just praying that the rain stopped.
The Bossejou area also experienced heavy flooding. Grizzly MP Kenson Casimir, who was on ground Sunday, witnessed firsthand the unmitigated destructive power of Mother Nature's wrath.
It's a very, very sad day in Grizzly. A number of persons, thousands and thousands of dollars of possessions have pretty much just gone out the window, literally, figuratively, and not been able to assess every single area. Currently heading to Riviera, Karef, Moshi, surrounding communities, then to Grizzly Town. Very difficult to traverse, the heavy traffic along the way. We've been hearing a number of rumors, but I'm very impressed with how the communities have come together to really deal with the issues of flooding and landslides. So very proud of Grizzly people today.
The Castries Southeast and perennial flood zone was not spared from the torrential rains, with scenes of destruction still evident throughout Bexor. MP for the area and Minister for Social Transformation Joachim Henry provided details on measures to be implemented to bring residents relief. He warns individuals of the importance of acquiring permits and planning approval before building construction.
We have quite a bit to do. We will start immediately in doing the assessment. There are some major infrastructure issues. Bridges in the Cronglands Bridge look compromised. The one in Flosac also look compromised. The one in Chocolate City in Mac, look, the railings, it lost its railings, and of course, maybe thank God, maybe more pressure would have been applied to that infrastructure, and it probably would have, could have been dislodged. So we have quite a bit of work to do, and of course, but more importantly, we will continue to work with planning. And I'm asking, generally St. Lucians to be careful where you build your home. Be careful where you buy a plot of land. Always think of climate change. With the increase in rainfalls, living by a river, on the banks of the river, you do not know historically where that river passed. The river will get back to its original location if we continue to experience increased rainfalls. So St. Lucians need to take cognizance of what we're experiencing. While we address this existing problem, we should not make it worse by persons going and build in locations that's not suitable.
The National Emergency Management Organization, Government and Infrastructure Ministry are taking stock of the damage in the aftermath of the upper level trough. Joachim Duplessis, HTS News Force.